Welcome back to the kitchen. In today's video, we're going to be cooking up some ramen noodles. They're quick and easy. They're affordable. They're budget friendly. We're going to add just a few ingredients to these, and we're going to see if we can change them up. Y'all come on and let's get started. Okay, y'all, the first thing you need to do is get you 3 cups of water. Okay, we've got our water heating up. Now we're going to go ahead and get ready to open up our package of ramen noodles. But first we're just going to take and try to break it in like 4 little sections before we even open up the package. Okay, and in the package they give you this little packet of your seasonings. This is to flavor it right here. We're going to be using some of this plus some of our own seasoning also. So we'll just set that to the side. We're going to go ahead and add our package of our noodles straight to the water. It's already starting to get hot. Yep, I just wanted to make sure I had those broke up in 4 sections. And now we're just going to let those come to a boil. They will only take around 3 minutes. And now that we've got our noodles cooking, we're going to go ahead and start preheating this iron skillet. And now I'm going to add around a tablespoon of my saved bacon grease. Now if y'all don't save your bacon grease, y'all don't know what you're missing. That right there adds a lot of flavor to your food. Okay, now to our skillet, we're going to go ahead and we've chopped up around a 1/2 cup of purple onions and those little sweet peppers. So I'm going to go ahead and add that to my skillet. And I have just a tiny bit of broccoli and asparagus I'm going to add. I've had like 2 little stalks of asparagus and a little bit of broccoli that I saved just to try out this recipe. Okay, we're just going to start sauteing that. We're going to add a little black pepper. A little salt. And I'm going to add about a 1/2 teaspoon of our total seasoning. I get this at Walmart. You can also get it off of Amazon. A lot of people ask when we show this where we get it at. And I just want to get this a pretty golden brown. Okay, that's about where we want it at, right there. It's still not all the way done, but now I'm going to add a round of a size of sausage that you would add to, like, say, if you were making just a sausage patty. And I'm just going to crumble that up on the side, like into little small bite-sized pieces. And we're just going to let that sausage cook down, and I want to get it pretty, like a good, pretty golden crust on it. And let's check our noodles. They still like just a few more minutes. Not long, they're almost ready. Now when you're cooking these kind of noodles, and you're wanting to add a little bit to it, you could add some ground beef. You could add like meat, the sausage. You could add ham. You can do a lot to change up just that little package of noodles. Okay, now while we have this still cooking, I'm going to add just a dash of the W sauce. You could even use soy sauce, but this is what I've got, so I'm just going to add a tiny bit of the W sauce to that while that sausage is still cooking. Okay, our noodles are done, so now we're going to drain them. Now our little pieces of sausage, onions, and bell peppers with the broccoli and asparagus is all good and got a pretty golden brown to it. The sausage is done, so we're going to get it out. And we're going to place it right here on this paper towel. Okay, we've got our noodles drained and I put them back on the heat just to dry them out a little bit. And now to that we're going to add about a half a tablespoon of butter. We're going to let that butter melt. And I'm going to add just about 1/4 of a teaspoon of this seasoning that they sent with the package. Not much, just a little. And now we're going to add our vegetables and our sausage that we cooked. And now we're just going to toss our vegetables in the noodles. Okay, and now to that we're going to add around just maybe 1/4 of a cup of chicken broth. Okay, now we've got that chicken broth heated up and that little bit of butter. All the noodles had soaked up that good flavor. So now we're going to serve us up some. And now to the top of those, we're just going to add a little bit of a green onion. Okay, y'all. I hope you give this a try. They're easy, they're budget friendly, and it's fast to make. Thanks for watching. If you like our video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe.